What's up, guys? This is Jimmy, also known as Jumanji1776. I'm an owner, operator, moderator of OptionGoatsllc LLC. That's right, we're based out of the state of Wisconsin. I, on the other hand, is located in Utah. This is the swing recap for the week of December 20th, 2021. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom right of this video down here, and make sure to go to our website, optiongoatsllc.com. Right here, our Discord looks just like this. You would have access to the general chat right here, but if you pay and sign up for the OG Prime, you have to pay. Instead of the 60, use the code SPRING30, and you can be able to get 3 months for $30 per month. We use the trade ADX spot. If you know what the trade ADX spot is, check out the previous videos that we've ever had. Make sure to like and subscribe and use SPRING30 when you sign up for the OG Prime membership. Also check back at our YouTube videos. I do a swing recap every week. And I go over all the trades that I've opened, all the ones that I have, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. All right, so let's look at some of the profits that we had last week. Let's see, so December 20th. Okay, so we got green on PDD. I'll go over that play because we ended up closing that for profits last week, which was really cool. We also opened a lot of positions, which I'm going to go over every one of them. That's why I got like 8. I don't typically have this many screens. It's just kind of too much for me sometimes. All right, and then looks like Ghost was scalping SP Spy. It looks like nice. Rom. Dude, this dude cannot, like, he hasn't missed in a while. Starbucks call up 26%, 111 bucks. Nice. We also closed Futu. All right, so PDD and Futu, I'll go over both of them and what exactly we did. Rom with 1,500 bucks on Starbucks. Hell yeah, that's freaking awesome. Awesome. So we had a green week last week, which is awesome. Okay, so let's go over some of the plays that we got. First off, let's look at the whole market. Right now, it is morning of the 27th. So actually, at this time, it looks like we just hit an all-time high of 475 on SPY. So Mondays are always fun to do the video. I hardly ever open the on Monday, so it actually works out well for me to methinks now. All right, so let's look back at some of the plays that we had. So let's look at PDD real quick. On this one, we actually did really well on this trade. What we did, we sold. Let's go back here. PDD, here we go. So we sold a call vertical spread, and we sold the 65 call, bought the 66 call for 1223. We collected premium 40 bucks. Max loss was 60, and we ended up getting out at, let's see where this is at, 95%. So we got to exit 95% because when it came down like this, the call spread lost value, we gained money, and bang, we just cashed out on that one. So looking back, this actually has a lot more room to run, room to go down. So this last pump we had, this might be an opportunity, but just an idea if you're looking for something to short. PDD, all the Chinese stocks except for the 2 that I'm in right now, PDD is actually doing okay. So that was good. And then let's go over Futu. Okay, so here's Futu. The reason I have it, why I still have it on my screen, is because, well, I'll show you here in a second. Futu. So what did we do with Futu? Did I have it last? Okay, so this is the new one, but we had an old Futu. Here it is. Okay, so we sold the 50 call, and we bought the 51 call for 1231. We collected 62 bucks. Max loss was 138, and it came down this way, and then we cashed out. So we made money on the Futu. Let's see, bang, 83%. So we made 50 bucks on the play. Max profit was 60, so we got a lot of premium on that one. Okay, so moving on, we ended up redoing Futu. Did we go a little early? Who knows at this point. I made sure to get time on it, so that was one of the things. So we sold a 43 call, bought the 44 call for 121.22. We did premium collected was 141 bucks. Max loss 159. So right now it's in the money, which is not a good thing, but looking at the chart, do I think it's going to go back down before the 21st, which is in like 3 weeks? Yeah, I think it's going to have another pump down, in which case we're going to have another opportunity to collect 60, maybe 70, 80%. If not, then we'll take max loss, and we are really only taking a, let's see, a $90 loss because we made 50 on the first Futu. So that's we're just kind of building up these shorts on Futu on this one. All right, so that was Futu. Now let's go from top left to right now. So Baba. So this is what we did with Baba, another Chinese stock that I wanted to short. So we're selling the call vertical spread. We're selling the 121 call, buying the 122. We collected a premium of $110, and our max loss is $90. So was that a lot of juice that we collected? Yeah, that's a lot of juice. Like that is a lot of juice. Like that is perfect. Another thing is I've been starting to track all of my premium sells, and it looks like I've done 12 premium sells, whether I'm selling a put spread or a call spread. 9 of them have been green. 9 of them have closed for green so far. So 75% profitable so far. So really the whole idea of me doing this video is to make sure that I journal my trades and that I reflect on them every Monday. So, I mean, it's a swing recap, but I'm also using for myself too. Anyways, okay, so Baba, sell the call vertical spread 121, buy the 122, 121. Where premium collected is $110. Max loss was $90. So really good R&R. 121, 122. This is what the spread looks like. The stock is below it, so we're green on the trade right now. So really happy on this one. We still got some time on it. I'm looking for this to break to 100, honestly. I might be buying a put on Baba just because I have such a strong feeling that it's going to downtrend. Chinese stocks are going to be under even more pressure right now, I think, during the winter break, with them doing their own thing, and also COVID. If it's hitting us hard like it is here and we're pretty lax about it, it's got to be hitting them pretty hard too. So I just think Chinese stocks are going to come down. Anyways, all right, so let's keep going here. So we got Baba, we got the Babas. Now let's take a look at the Mara. All right, so Mara was a put vertical. We sold a put spread on Mara. So we sold the 28, bought the 27 put, 121, 22. We collected $60, max loss is 140. This is when we sold the put spread was probably, I think, right here. Yeah, 117 right here. So were we a little early? Yeah, but now it's, it's $5 higher than what it was before. And this is basically because I felt that Bitcoin was due for a correction to the upside because it was on the downslope. Let's see here. Yeah, let's use that. So there's Bitcoin, in the orange. Obviously, Mara, Riot. I'll go over Riot here in a bit, but Mara it tracks Bitcoin, and so we broke the 50 SMA. So anytime we're under the 50 SMA, it's a buy, right? If you use some of your fundamental trades as if you were an investor, really what it comes down to is you're just really good at waiting, right? Because if you're long term, you really have a lot of time to wait, right? You have a lot of time. Same thing when you're trading options. You really just have to control yourself and opportunity. This was all the way down to like right down here, and it's bounced before, and this is a pretty area of demand, it looks like. So when Bitcoin started pumping up, we're green on the play now, and so that trade is going to end up probably a lot better than I would have ever thought, actually, because I don't trade crypto. So again, I'm just kind of looking at Bitcoin like, yeah, sure. It's kind of, looks like there might be a correction. All right, so AMC, when it was dipping down here on this day, let's see what we did. Sold the put vertical spread, selling the 21 put, buying the 20. Oh, wow, I messed that up. Hold on a second. Sell put. Oops. Let's go back. Okay, actually, that meant to be a put, but I did put vertical spread, so obviously it would have been that would have been right. Sell the 21 put, buy the 20 put. 17 2022, $60, max loss is 140. We right here on this, or right here. It pumped up, and so now we're making money on it. We're green on the trade, so We might be closing that one today. I'm not sure yet, but we're green on that play. Here's our call. Put spread down here, and it's way above it. We're just collecting theta like the rest of the positions that we have. Super happy on that one. All right, so let's take a look at a firm. So a firm was one stock that has a lot of volatility. So really, so selling a put, vertical spread 92, 120, collecting $30, max loss is 70, bounced up like that. So it now is, what is that, $14 away from the money. So again, we're green on that place. Super happy on that one. Those green lines were the put vertical spread. If the put spreads, I put them in green. If the call spread's red, right? Red, want to go down. You know, in case you're looking at this and you're confused. All right, so Riot, again, this is another Bitcoin one. If we put Bitcoin in front of it, you can see it trades with Bitcoin most of the time. It looks like it's popping up kind of like the Marup trade. So now 22, 23, sell the 24, buy the 23. Expiration is 218. We have a lot of time on this one. So I'm really looking for Bitcoin to stay afloat for quite some time, if not rally. Premium collecting $65, max loss is 45. We got so much time with it that we got a bunch of, so super happy on that one as well, because we're above it, about $2 away from the money. So really can't complain. I know that we're green on that one as well. ITCI. So only reason I'm making sure I'm going over this trade is because we're going to get 100% on this one. Not too worried about it. Sell the put vertical spreads, sell 33 put, buy 32 put. This is a biotech stock. When I went against what I was doing, but this thing looked like it was an uptrend, like majorly. If you look at that, I mean, it's just going up and down on the 50 SMA. So I, collected $31. It was pretty far away from the money. Max loss was 69. As you can see, the stock is now like, it had great news on a drug. I have no idea, but it gapped up. And, honestly, just looking at the chart and how far down it was below the 50 SMA, it looks like it corrected itself. So that's why I went for that much time, like over a month, just in case if it did keep dipping, it looked like maybe it hit this area of demand where the put spread is, and, bounce right back up. And, fortunately, like it just happened like 3 or 4 days afterwards, it popped up like, I don't even know what that is. That's like $20. So almost doubled. So yeah, we're holding that one till expiration because we're most likely going to be able to, collect the full premium on that one. So I believe that's all the positions I have right now. We have the futures. I think that's about it. We did buy a call on TLT, but you know what? I'm going to stop buying the cheap ones, just because I'm real focused on my premium sells now. So I'm not going to buy any cheap ones, but I'm going to keep posting the cheap ones in the chat. So if you probably remember, what we're talking about. Keep trying them out. If you like to day trade, short swing trades, they're great for them. I'm still doing this. I've just since quite some time now, because for the most part. So, and I think I'm on a roll, and I think I got something figured out. So we'll just keep trading. I'll keep making these videos. Make sure to like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Make sure to manage your risk, and make sure to know that I am not a financial professional. If you need financial help, please contact a financial advisory firm, whatever you want to call it. We had a good week last week. I'm really happy. I'm really happy with my trades that I closed for green, the positions that we rolled into. If I look at all these positions right here, they're all away from my spreads. I'm just collecting theta every second that goes by. I'm just collecting money on my spreads. So it is going to turn out to be a good day. So I'm really excited. Wow, Baba just went red. Oh, just went green. Oh, red. Yeah, it's like super close. But we'll see what happens with SPY here. It just keeps going. So make sure to check out our website. Make sure to like and subscribe at the bottom right of the video. Thank you for watching the video, and we will see you next week. Happy trading, and happy New Year, and Merry Christmas. Have a good one. Bye.